interests are arts, creativity and wool. I usually am a nervous person talking to people, but here I just can feel like I can open up a little bit and meet new people, and I feel like I can take the lead just a little bit more now.
This is the culmination of our Youth Enterprise project, Plan It, Build It, Sell It. As you can see, this is the finished product. They've worked really, really hard over the 10 weeks, and I think it's testament to them to see young people coming through, enjoying themselves.
I think they've done a fantastic job getting a lot of people in. I think they've put a marker down for what's been a really good first event.
It's really helped me out. It's boosted my confidence. It's made me want to actually go do things now. That'll help me and help the people around me. It's helped me realise that if I want something, I have the drive to push for it.
I have leadership skills, I just never had the confidence to use them. But from joining this, I found how to sort of step up and try to be a leader.
These are very, very talented, workable young people with a work ethic, and I think that they're actually going to be really, really valuable to the future workforce. I think they'll be very successful.